Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 6 social science class and we are studying history. We have completed the first chapter of history and introduction. We have completed the entire chapter and some exercises. Today we will complete the remaining exercises and we will complete D and E today. D is match the column. Here are 5 points. You have to match them. First one is Hathi Gumpa, second is Stupa of Sachi, third Tripitikas, fourth Vedas, and fifth Patanjali's Mahabhashya. And here are their types. You have to choose which one is their correct side. Hathi Gumpa. What is Hathi Gumpa? Hathi Gumpa is a inscription. So its correct match will be inscription. First to B. Second, Stupa of Sachi. What is Stupa of Sachi? It is a monument. Stupa of Sachi is a monument. Tripitikas are Buddhist literature. Tripitaka is a Buddhist literature, or you can say Buddhist literature is known as Tripitaka. Vedas. Veda is a religious literature. Vedas are religious literature. Patanjali's Mahabhashya, it is a secular literature. Patanjali Mahabhashya is a secular literature. So this was the mature columns. See once again. Okay. E. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is meant by history? What is meant by history? And the answer is history is the account of man from the earliest to the present time. History is the account of man from the earliest to the present time. Question number 2. What is archaeology? Question number 2 is what is archaeology? And the answer is it is the study of remains of the past. It is the study of remains of the past. Question number 3. What are the archaeological sources to study the past? What are the archaeological sources to study the past? And the answer is the archaeological sources include ruins, monuments, edicts, inscriptions, coins, artifacts, etc. Listen once again. The archaeological sources include ruins, monuments, edicts, inscriptions, coins, artifacts, etc. These are the archaeological sources. Question number 4. What are edicts and inscriptions? What are edicts and inscription? And the answer is the writings engraved on rocks, stones, pillars, metal plates, etc. are called inscriptions. An edict is a royal command engraved on stones, pillars, etc. Listen once again. The writings engraved on rocks, stones, pillars, metal plates, etc. are called inscriptions. And what is edict? An edict is a royal command engraved on stones, pillars, etc. So students, we have completed its brief question answers and we have completed A, B, C, D, E. Exercises. F is a long types questions. You have to describe it in detail. So we will complete these question answers in next video. Complete A, B, C, D, E in your notebook. I will check it when college will reopen. Till then, take care. Goodbye.